Today I will show you one of my newsletter, how much I have earned from this newsletter. You can see in my wallet I have $1,735 available to withdraw, and I did a withdraw today morning. Actually, I will show you the boost section. Here you can see monetization on boost. Obviously I will blur my newsletter name here because I don't want you to go there and subscribe to my newsletter without having an interest on my subject. It is not a good thing. Always make sure you get subscribers who has the interest about your niche. Okay, now you can see I have 8 active boosts, but even though there are 8 boosts, only 5 will be displayed for your new subscribers to subscribe. After they subscribe to my newsletter, there will be a pop-up window that they will be given a chance to subscribe to other 5 newsletters. And you can see I have pending revenue $187. There you can see my pending revenue $187. You can see total revenue from boost, it is $4,000. Revenue per subscriber $1.5 from this for this verified subscribers. Per one subscriber I get $1.5. Okay, so if I spend around $1 per subscriber to get a subscriber to my newsletter, I will get $0.5. So it's a good return, isn't that? I get free subscribers, almost free subscribers to my newsletter. You can see, then I will show you my ads section. You can see in monetization, you can see here in monetization tab, there are 3 ways that we can earn from this on Beehive platform. Actually there are other ways. Obviously you can promote your product or service. Other than that, on this Beehive platform only you can 3 ways to earn money. First one is boost, then ads, then paid subscription. I will talk about paid subscription in a separate video. When we come to ads section, you can see I have earned more than $2,000 from ads. This month up to now I have earned $76.5. Last month only $101, right? I have 2 new opportunities in my inbox, but I'm not going to place these 2 advertisements because my calendar is full of advertisement. You can see here, when I click here, you can see here I have a lot of advertisement opportunity that I have to place on my newsletter each and every day. Okay, so you can see on my dashboard here the subscriber growth. That okay, my click rate is a bit low, 2.69. I like to keep it around 10%. I will show you another newsletter in the future which has more than 10% click rate and more than 20% open rate. Open rate is also like to keep more than 20%. To be a perfect newsletter, you should have open rate more than 20% and click rate more than 10%. That's my personal idea. Okay, in next video I will show you my another newsletter, and if you have any question, place it on the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.